Guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, my name is Kiondra, also known as Key. My channel is mostly about fashion and sewing, but I also do lifestyle and I do sprinkle a few vlogs here and there on my channel. So if you hopped on this channel, hopefully you stick around through the entire video, and by the end of the video you will want to subscribe as well as press the bell button so that you'll be notified every time that I post a new video. So today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you all another FabFitFun subscription box. Last time they sent me the summer box, so that was 3 months ago when I filmed that video. This time around they sent me the fall box. Fall is coming up, so I'm super excited to share with you all the items that I received. And if you don't know what FabFitFun is, it is a subscription box. They do give you the options to choose what items you want in your box, and the boxes are valued up to around $350. FabFitFun is a lifestyle subscription box that offers products as far as beauty, fashion, fitness, skincare, and just a whole lot more. So yeah, let's get right into it. I will share with you all each item that I received or picked out, and I will share with you all the cost and everything like that. So of course it did come in this box here. It always comes in a box like this with their blue tape, and inside the box you will receive another box like so. And when I received this box, I was like, yeah, this one is definitely heavier than the other box that I received 3 months ago. So yeah, the box looks pretty much the same as the other one. It says fall in love with nice sweet things, and I'm gonna give y'all a 360 of the box here. So when I open it up, this is what the box looks like. So let's hop right into the goodies. Here are the products that I received. I think I'm more excited about this box than the summer box, even though the summer box was the first time I've ever received a FabFitFun box. But something about this one is just making me super duper excited. Like, I don't know what it is, but let's hop right into it. The first product I'm going to get into is the Superfood Glow Cleansing Butter. I'm not really sure how to pronounce this brand. I want to say it's Elemis. So I'm assuming that it's to like take off makeup and everything like that. So it says that it is a radiance boosting facial cleanser. So it says for all skin types, and it cleanses, softens, and hydrates. So this is the packaging. Very sleek. It is a glass. It says to massage butter into dry skin and rinse with warm water. So I'm trying to see. It says cleansing butter. I'm assuming it's for taking off makeup. I don't think it's necessarily for like facial wash. I mean, it does say a facial cleanser though. It doesn't really have much of a smell. This is what it looks like. It is orange. This cleansing butter here is around $45. So the next product that I decided to pick is the Bushbalm Ingrown Hair Oil. It says it is formulated to improve the look of ingrown hairs, razor bumps, and redness. So here is the packaging of this. It says it is for all skin types, plant-derived, and cruelty-free. I got this because I wanted to use this for like whenever, like after I shave or whatever, just to prevent like any ingrown hairs from like coming in. So that's why I picked this one. But this is the packaging. It's so cute. And then it comes in, it has like a little pump right here like this. Yeah, this is really cute. Like, I've never seen like a little packaging like this or anything. So it does say it is a hydrating body oil formulated with a blend of botanicals and essential oils to help skin feels soft and smooth while improving the look of razor bumps and ingrown hairs after hair removal, such as bikini line, legs, underarms, and anywhere else that needs attention. So yeah, you will massage it where like there's any razor bumps or anything like after shaving. And this is $26. The next item that I got is the Herbivore Milky Way Soothing Exfoliating Serum. So let's go ahead and open up this product and see what it's looking like. Here is what this packaging looks like. This is a soothing exfoliating serum for your face, and I just love using serums, so I decided to, you know, just try out a different brand or whatever. See, you know, try to switch it up and see what my skin likes. It says massage 1 to 2 pumps until cleansed face, gentle enough for nightly use, and if sensitive, start 2 to 3 times per week. So if you have sensitive skin, you will want to use it 2 to 3 times a week versus using it every single day. So this serum is $58. $58. And the next item that I decided to pick out is this Woven. I think this is the brand. Woven brand. It is a recovery neck and shoulder wrap. And it does have some weight to it or whatever, but yeah, it is a recovery neck and shoulder wrap. Let me go ahead and take it out the packaging. This side here is like fabric. Well, the whole thing is fabric, but this side here is more so like clothy material, and it does have like these beads in it, which makes it have some weight to it. You can heat it up or you can cool it. So the instructions are right here on the tab. So for heating it up, it says to microwave in 30-second intervals, but do not exceed 90 seconds. And to cool it, you just chill it in the freezer for about 4 hours. At the inner filling, it says it is Mifin stone and lavender. And it is made with or from recycled fabric. Yeah, I wanted to get this so, you know, maybe like after a long day of work or something, I want to relieve some tension or something like on my shoulders, my neck or something like that. So I feel like this would be put to good use, especially since the filling in it gives it some good weight to it. So yeah, this cold and heat wrap is $65. And I do have 2 more products still. So the next product that I have is some packing cubes by the brand Hanky Panky. And I decided to get some packing bags because whenever I go somewhere like out of town or traveling or whatever, I want to be able to pack as easily as possible. Even though I don't pack like a whole bunch of stuff, but I like to be able to organize like my jewelry, my makeup, or like my skincare, oral hygiene, or just, you know, small things like that, so it's just not too chaotic or whatever. So let's go ahead and open these up so I can actually see like how big each packing cube is, because it is in a set of 3. All 3 cubes are different sizes, and they do have like these handles on. So here's bag number 1. It has the Hanky Panky logo tag here, and it does have a zipper. This is the second bag here, and this is the 3rd and biggest bag of the pack. It does say feel good lingerie for women's ever-changing lives. I guess they make lingerie as well. It says makers of the world's most comfortable thong. And it is women-led since 1977. Here is their social and their website. Not sure if you guys can see that. It ain't focusing. Last but not least, but also one of my favorite products of the entire box. Oh, also, before I even get into the very last product, I don't think I told you how much the packing cubes were. The packing cubes are $48. So that's how much they cost. The Hanky Panky brand packing cubes are $48. So on to the very last product. I got some slippers. And as soon as I saw these, I was like, I have to get some slippers. I've been wanting some new house shoes to wear around the house, so I can get out of the ones I've been using now. But these are so freaking cute. Like, look at these. So I got these in a size medium. The medium is a size 7-8. So I was like, well, I wasn't sure which size to go with, but I was like, just to be on the safe side, I'm gonna go with a medium because I do wear around a size 7, 6.5 or whatever. But this is by the brand Muk Luks. I hope that's how you say it. But these are women's slippers and they are machine washable, but they are trendy platform outsole, warm and cozy plush lining, and cushioned insole. So here is the house shoes or slippers. Also, comment down below, like, do you call them slippers or house shoes? I kind of interchange between the two. Like, how can I pass up getting some house slippers? Like, so yeah, here are the Muk Luks brand slippers. Like I said, hopefully I'm saying it right or whatever, but I got these in a medium 7-8. These slippers retail for $49. But yeah, I'm probably going to be wearing these starting today. So those were all of the 6 products that I decided to choose to have in my FabFitFun Fall 2024 box. I'm super excited about the products that I did receive, and I also cannot wait to try and test out any of like the facial care products that I did receive as well. Like, I'm super excited about that because that is something that I really enjoy doing, which is my skincare and such, and just getting into the products and just learning about new brands and discovering new brands and everything like that. So I am really thankful for FabFitFun for sending me another box and, you know, letting me have these products, letting me pick out what products that I wanted to receive in my box. So like I said, you guys, FabFitFun is a subscription box. If you do enroll in the subscription, you would get 1 box 4 times a year. So you would get 1 box per season, obviously winter, spring, summer, and fall. And you are able to customize what items you want in your box. Like I said, the box values up to $350. I did calculate all of the items that I have in my box, and it did come up to around $291, so almost $300. So yeah, like I said, if you are interested in lifestyle, beauty, fitness, skincare, just all of that good stuff, then you will want to go ahead and, you know, just dive in and explore with a FabFitFun box. I do have some coupon codes for you guys as well to share with you all if you are interested in getting a subscription box with FabFitFun. So the first promo code or coupon code that I have is going to be for the annual subscription box, which is, and you will get a gift with purchase. So that's going to be KEYSHANECEGIFT. I will put that on the screen. It is going to be KEYSHANECEGIFT. The other promo code that I have is if you want to get just like a specific seasonal subscription box. So like say I got the fall box and you want to get a fall box as well, but you only want it for the fall season, and you don't want to or plan on getting any other box for the season, then you can just go ahead and get the fall box, and that is going to be 20% off of your first box, and that gift code is KEYSHANECE. So if you want the annual subscription box, it'll be KEYSHANECEGIFT. If you want the seasonal promo box, it would be just KEYSHANECE. I just want to say thank you to FabFitFun for sending me another box, and I'm super excited to just get into these brands, the products. So yeah, like I said, some of the products that I do have that I've never tried before, I will try to give you guys like a first impressions or update or something along the lines on either my Instagram or my TikTok, and I'll put all of that in the description box as well, so you guys can follow me on social. So yeah, if you enjoyed this video, make sure to comment, like, subscribe, and yeah, make sure to hit that bell button so that you'll be notified whenever I post a new video. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.